Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to blur an image in PowerPoint. This is actually quite simple. I will start by opening PowerPoint and I have a small presentation with a picture of myself. And for this tutorial I will blur myself. All I have to do is click on the image and I get a contextual tab called Picture Format. I click on this, go to the Adjust group, and here I click on Artistic Effects. In the second row at the right, I find the blur. If I hover over it, I get a preview of what my image will look like. If I click on it, the blur is applied to my picture. This looks quite good at first, but let's also look at how I can adjust the blur more precisely. To do this, I go back one step, click on Artistic Effects again, and now go to Artistic Effects Options. A sidebar opens in which I can adjust the artistic effects again. I select the blur first. And now I can use the radius to set how strong the blur should be in my image. And so I can set the blur more precisely. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.